What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 63 and today's topic will be how to set labels for existing node. Okay, so there is only one use case for this tutorial, how to set node label using set keyword, and that too using Neo4j web UI, and one is using Python ID. This is not Python web UI, my mistake. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me just open this thing. So this is Neo4j web UI. So I'll check if anything is available here. Match in, return in. Okay, so we have multiple things, so let me just delete everything first. Match in, detach, delete, in. So now everything is deleted. So what I'll do, I'll try to create few nodes now, but without any label. Match in, and after that we'll give some sort of name, Ronnie. Okay, oh, sorry, why I'm doing this. Okay, so one node created. So we'll check match in. Oh shit, I'm just hitting enter always. So this is the thing. So if you see, the name is Ronnie, one property, and ID is 331, but there is no label. Now how to set the label for this thing? So for doing that, it will be match in. Okay, and then set. Okay, let's see, employee, return in dot name, and labels in. Okay, so this is going to return the name, and the labels will be employee. So let's run this thing. See, labels is employee and name is name. And how to set this thing? Using the set keyword. So this is very simple, nothing fancy, nothing very kind of a highly sophisticated thing, but very important to know. Okay, so next thing, we'll try to do the same thing from here. So in our case, so the query will be okay. So this is the query. So before doing that, so what I'll do, I'll try to create another node actually. Okay, create n equals to, let's say, Rahul. Okay, anything in capital. Okay, then we'll try to find match and return in. So there will be two nodes now, one is Ronnie and one is Rao, just because it has a label employee, so it is coming like this. So here actually it is name Rahul, so I'll try to set here. Okay, so match in, and after that we'll write here, just modifying the query a bit. Rahul. Okay, then we'll run this thing. Okay, and this is going to be the result, and we'll print list result. So this is going to print the name and the labels. Name will be Rahul and the labels will be again employee. Okay, something some problem is here. I didn't find the error actually. Okay, invalid input expected white space not labels. Okay, what is the problem here? I didn't understand. Match in this, then set this, but why this is throwing some error? What it is saying, this is saying invalid input not labels in contains. I'm not sure. Okay, this is session dot run q1 is fine, but why this is throwing the error? So first of all, let me try to find this thing, whether this is generating an error or not. Let me check this thing. This should not be the case. Not sure. This is strange. I'm just thinking why this is throwing the error. Invalid return end.name mailpool exception. Let me check one thing. Yeah, this is fine, but why this is not coming? The error, probably we did some silly mistake. I am actually very much sure that okay, so we missed something here actually. That bracket part is pending. Okay, so what will happen now? We'll set, sorry, something again missed, not sure how it got, and employee. Okay, so now let's run this thing. See, this is done. Okay, so that's it. So if you see, the label is employee and this thing is this. So what I'll do, we'll try to return from here as well, labels n. Okay, I can miss the bracket. So see, this is very simple. You can do anything using this thing. So let me just copy paste this thing here as well. So this is a very simple tutorial. I hope you guys will learn something out of this, but try to make sure that you should not miss any parenthesis or bracket, or else you will face some difficulties like me, which I was facing for last 1 or 2 minutes. So that's it guys, this is very small tutorial. Hopefully we'll try to upload some more tutorials in this week, probably today or tomorrow, I'm not sure, probably 2 or 3, and hope to complete this series very fast. Okay, so that's it, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.